Facebook ကမိတ်ဆွေအပေါင်းမင်္ဂလာပေါင်းနဲ့ပြည့်စုံပါစေလို့နော်
ဒီပါတဲ့သူလေဟာထုတယ်ဒီမှာဖုန်းထဲမှာထွက်လာတာအင်တာနက်နေငါဖွင့်ပြမယ်ရပြီမကြည့်
Myanmar Sidman with cheap betano acre Tunwa Queen is very beautiful and the queen who rules the continent Tunwa Queen is a queen of valor. She is also a woman with a fearful archery ability to shoot down a swan police, wandering around in the sky. When the enemies came to attack Bino, the queen also destroyed the horse train in the war by sending water from the Yanpel stream. She is a brave queen with arrows who can crush enemies who came from the front by riding an arrow. Miss Grand Myanmar.
Có rồi, con này là, con à, ai con này rồi mình đi đánh sao mình tiêu này nó.
Déjame.
哈，没有下一百块。
ရှုစားပေးကြလို့ကျေးဇူးတော်တင်ပါတယ်လို့ဗျာနော်